Hi, in this video, we will be talking about index funds. Index funds are those types of mutual funds that replicate the portfolio of a stock market index. Index funds try to mirror the performance of the underlying index it is replicating. As per SEBI's regulations, an index fund is an open-ended mutual fund scheme which has at least 95% of its portfolio replicating or tracking a stock market index. This unique feature sets index funds apart from other mutual funds. Generally, a mutual fund is built to try and outperform a benchmark index. However, an index fund is built to mirror the performance of an index and does not try to exceed its performance. In India, we have index funds which mirror the performance of popular stock market indices like the Nifty 50, Nifty 100, BSE Sensex, Bank Nifty, etc. Let us discuss some of the advantages of choosing an index fund for our portfolio. First is the returns of an index. Since an index fund tracks the performance of a market index, investing in it will ensure that our portfolio will grow to the same extent that the underlying index will grow. Indices are indicative of the strength of the overall economy or specific sectors or themes depending on their composition. Another advantage is diversification. An index fund provides extensive diversification to a portfolio as it invests in a diverse range of companies present in an index. The next benefit is the comparatively lower expense ratio. Mutual funds in general are actively managed because they are constantly striving to outperform their benchmark. However, an index fund is passively managed because it is simply cloning an index. This makes index funds a cheaper alternative to other mutual funds as they have lower commission costs. Now let's understand the risks associated with index funds. Index funds generally offer good returns with moderate risks, but they also carry a risk of tracking error. Tracking error is the standard deviation of the fund's returns from the underlying index's returns. This means the difference in returns of the fund compared to the index it is replicating. You should be looking to invest in funds with lower tracking errors. It is better to invest in these funds from a long-term perspective, ideally with an investment horizon of 7 years or more. So, as a smart investor, you should evaluate how these funds will help you achieve your financial goals before adding them to your portfolio. Thank you for watching the video.